How to log into Snapchat. Logged out of Snapchat account? Don't worry, in this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to log into Snapchat. For this, locate the Snapchat app on your phone and open it. On the welcome screen, tap Login instead of Sign Up. This takes you to the login page. Right here you can see I have already saved my account right here, so it's showing login. But if you want to use another account, simply tap on another account. Now here enter your username. Now once you have entered your username and password, tap on login. And that's it, you are now logged in and ready to snap. That's how you log into Snapchat. And if you have set up the two-factor authentication, Snapchat will send a verification code to your phone, so enter it to proceed. And if you have forgotten your password, no problem, you can just tap on forgot password and enter your email, phone and follow the reset link. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.